The Man Van is an innovative new outreach programme which is visiting workplaces and community groups in London, starting in Croydon. The aim being to provide free health checks for men and boost early diagnosis of prostate and other urological cancers, as well as a range of other health conditions.
I first heard about the Man Van a couple of months ago from a work colleague of mine and instantly thought what an amazing idea it was. Too often people that work in our industry don't take the time off to visit the doctor, and we're aware that by being in this line of work that men can be at higher risk of certain health conditions. That's why we're thrilled to have the Man Van on our site here, offering free health checks to our staff.
Booking an appointment into the van is really simple. The only information they need is their NHS number.
When an individual turns up for their appointment, we welcome them onto the van, and before we get started we make quite sure that they are happy for the results to be shared with their GP. Otherwise, the results are kept completely confidential and will not be shared with anyone outside of the healthcare team. Then we ask each man to complete some health questionnaires which assess their mental and physical health, and we use those results for our discussion. We measure blood pressure, height and weight, and we address the individual's risks of certain diseases such as diabetes or certain cancers. The consultations are very relaxed and we give men an opportunity to discuss problems that have been bothering them. Men are not required to undergo a prostate examination on the van, but we may offer those at risk of prostate cancer a blood test to check their PSA level.
In some men where the PSA blood test has come back with a high result, we will recommend that they are referred urgently into a hospital for further tests. We will arrange these appointments to a hospital of their choice, which is often their local NHS hospital.
I've been through the Man Van myself and found that my PSA level was high and that I had blood in my urine. Both of these facts I didn't know about. I was instantly referred to the Royal Marsden for further checks, and it's been a fantastic experience and something that I would never have known about myself without the van. Our people are our most important asset and critical to the success of our business. We're encouraging all our staff on site to book a health check because our people and their health matter to us. Looking after the physical and mental health of our people is a significant part of the Lend Lease culture, and we're encouraging other companies to do the same with their staff.